balancing my camera on my toe and holding the lens with my hand. Good morning guys, what's up? I just woke up about 15 minutes ago. I am like loving the vlogging life, okay? As I'm like holding my camera with my fucking toes, I've been implementing meditating to my morning routine. So today I meditated for 5 minutes, literally nothing big. I didn't feel like vlogging it because all I would say is now I'm gonna meditate. I know there's a lot of apps people use, Headspace might be one of them I think, that do guided meditation, but I just wanted to do like a quick 1-2 meditation, just 5 minutes. It's very difficult if you've never meditated before to literally think of nothing and just focus on your breathing. So I'm obviously learning, you know, training my mind kind of thing. And now I'm gonna go on a run. I have decided I'm doing a new sort of schedule for my running. I used to try and do 5 days and then like 2 days off, but that's a lot of motivation because 5 days is a long fucking time. I'm gonna do 3 days. That's what I've been doing recently. So run for 3 days and then 1 day off, run for 3 days, 1 day off. It's a lot easier to stay motivated because obviously the first day of your 3 days, it's lit, you wanna go. And then by the second one, you're like, hey, it's my second last day. Today's plans are nothing. I don't have anything lined up except going to my dad's for dinner tonight. Maybe film a video. Oh, also, I'm uploading a video right now. The video is how to be a Y2K bitch in 5 steps. It turned out pretty well. It took me a long ass time to edit and insert all the photos, but I think it was worth it. And it's kind of like a little unnatural because I don't really think that much into when I get dressed, but the whole video is to inspire you to do the steps to find out if that may be your style or if not, so you can move to the next thing. So I like the way it turned out. Let me know if you guys have watched it and if you liked it. I'm obsessed with the thumbnail. I'll show you guys right now. We're really happy with how this one turned out. I feel like it really gets the vibe across of the video. Right before I go for my run, I always make my coffee because I don't have cold brew. I just make regular coffee and put that shit in the freezer. I use this contraption. I can't remember what it's called right now, but I'm gonna see if I can do this with one hand. I think it's an aerator. Ooh. I always add my sugar in when it's still warm, and then it goes in the freezer. This is the coffee creamer I have been using, and I do not have enough good shit to say about it. I do a bit of that, and then I also do almond milk or oat milk. Love it, love her. I have 2 of these in the fridge right now. I'm gonna do my warm up right now. I always do it with my shoes on so I get into the zone. I'm just doing a little gray tank top today because it's so hot, and a Nike sports bra, soccer shorts. I mention this all the time, but warming up is my least favorite part about running because I just want to go. I don't want to have to fucking stretch. Another thing I started doing was on my ledge here, I just do 50 heel raises when I'm done my stretch, and this really just stretches out my calves, which is mainly why I do it, but it's also really good exercise. I'm low-key dying. It is so hot out. This is why I need to start getting up earlier because it's too fucking hot to run at 9 a.m. I'm gonna do my Chloe Ting, just the ab video. I fell off of doing workouts entirely for like a month. We're not playing, okay? I low-key love sweating. It makes me feel like I actually did something. I'm not gonna film this because I have an entire Chloe Ting video and I do the workout like 100 times in that, so you guys can watch that. But I have my yoga mat down. Today's fit is very casual. I'm staying at home all day and I just want to be comfortable, so I'm wearing this black tank top from Urban Outfitters, and these are actually biker shorts from Aritzia, and this is just the most comfortable outfit. It's so breathable. We had a dinner party yesterday, so our table is still decorated from that. I'm gonna drink my coffee out here. So yesterday my mom had her girlfriends over and we had such an amazing dinner. We had salmon, 3 different kinds of salad, rice. She made a homemade focaccia, and the homemade focaccia is literally to die for. So I told her to put it in the oven because we had leftover and I'm gonna have it for breakfast. Focaccia my mom made, it literally looks so fucking good. It's rosemary and lemon, and I have a bit of olive oil. I'm watching James Charles Day in the Life, low-key, such a good video. And I'm vibing out here, guys. Somehow I forgot that I was fucking vlogging and I just filmed an entire video and got ready without even telling you guys what I'm doing. I got ready, I cleaned my room, and I decided I was gonna film a Q&A today, so I just did that. I really like filming just talking videos like Q&As, so it was super fun to film that. And now I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my day. Like, it's 1:30. I could just edit that Q&A like right now and have that fucking turnover time so quick, like film edit within 2 hours. Or I could start filming another video, which is gonna be a how to thrift Y2K finds, because a big portion of that is talking, so I could film that now and then maybe even go to the thrift store later. But I'm just like kind of lazy to go to the thrift store. I don't know why. I just like don't want to go. It's so hot out. It's like 32 degrees today, which is honestly ridiculous, and the air conditioning in my house is so shitty. It's, let's see what exactly it is. It's 33 degrees. Also, this is my new filming location. It kind of cheeses me that it's diagonal right now, like from you guys, but the lighting is just better because my window's here if it's a bit diagonal rather than just straight on. I'm also like, I want a vlogging camera so badly, but I'm thinking I could just get a new phone and vlog on that, because I think the newest iPhone is like got a crazy camera. James Charles literally filmed his entire day in my life on his fucking phone, so I'm like, okay bitch, if James Charles is doing it. I feel like this is my first meal today, and it's like 3:30 right now, but I'm having salmon from last night, which, oh my god, looks so good. Rice, and then this corn salad. Okay, that was the most delicious shit I've ever eaten. So good. Right now I'm exporting my new video onto my hard drive. I save all my videos just in case, I don't know, I get fucking hacked and I need to re-upload all my videos. Like, I just save them all in case. And I save the thumbnails, all that shit. So this is like the most annoying part about making videos, is the fact that I have to put them all into a hard drive and like save them all and whatever. Also, my computer is like always running out of storage because I'm importing like 20 gigabyte fucking videos at all times. So it's a constant cycle of deleting and then uploading, deleting and uploading. So right now this is my Y2K video that I'm putting on my hard drive, and then I'm gonna upload some of this vlog footage. I filmed like 4 TikToks. I don't even know if I want to tell you guys my TikTok, because like I'm not really proud of them. Like, I've just been making TikToks kind of to, I don't know, I feel like I should be doing that since I'm creating content on YouTube. I should be like attracting people with TikTok. So I think I'm just gonna do like short snippets of YouTube videos I make and put them into TikToks and upload those. But we'll see how that goes. I think I'm gonna go get some pie.